Assalamualaikum. Today, me and NAJWA are going to present the mini project for mathematics, which is ASM 0404, and the topic is matrices, set C. The assignments or the situation that are given to us is, suppose now Along wants to send a secret message to Busu in a matrix of dimension 4 times 4 as follows. P is equals to the entire matrix that is given. Busu now is given 3 different set of matrices, which is K1, K2, and K3. The task now is for Busu to decide which the given key will decrypt the secret message sent by Along and have a meaningful message. In a group of 5 persons, you will help Busu to find the inverse of all 3 possible correct key, K1, K2, K3 as given as follows, and decrypt the secret message. And the questions are: A. Obtain 3 different messages from 3 keys given above if possible. Next, B. Among those 3 messages, which message do you think is correct? Explain. C. Why do you consider the other messages are incorrect? State your reason. And the task that we have to do is to find the inverse of K1 using the adjoint method, then decrypt the message using the inverse. Is it the correct message? If the answer is no, then explain why not. And then we have to find the inverse of K2 using ERO method and decrypt the message using the inverse. Is it the correct message? If the answer is no, then explain why not. And lastly, we have to find the inverse of K3 using either methods and decrypt the message using the inverse. Is it the correct message? If the answer is no, then explain why not. First, let's find the secret message using K1. For K1, we will be using the adjoint method where we have to find for the inverse. By doing so, first thing first, we have to find the determinant of this 4x4 matrix. In order to find the determinant, we have to find the cofactor matrix. First, we have to find M11 by delete the row 1 and column 1, and we will get the answer 531, 121, 225. And then we will get to find the determinant, which will be the answer for the position M11 in the minor. Next, we have to apply the same method to each position, which is M11, M12, M13, M14, M21, M22, M23, M24, M31, M32, M33, M34, M41, M42, M43, and M44. Therefore, we will get the value of M11 is 29, M12 is negative 7, M13 is negative 1, M14 is negative 20, M21 is 10, M22 is 2, M23 is negative 2, M24 is negative 8, M31 is negative 67, M32 is 9, M33 is 15, M34 is 44, and M41 is negative 6, M42 is 2, M43 is negative 2, and M44 is 8. Thus, we will get the cofactor matrix, which is 29, negative 7, negative 1, negative 20, 10, 2, negative 2, negative 8, negative 67, 9, 15, 44, negative 6, 2, negative 2, 8. And by using this cofactor, we will get to find the determinant, which is 16. Next, we will transpose the answer and then we multiply them with 1 over the determinant, which is 16, to get the inverse of K1. After that, we multiply the inverse of K1 with P and we will get the value that contain fraction. Thus, this message cannot be decoded as it not being represented by any of the alphabet.
Next is K2. So, we are going to solve K2 using ERO method. Firstly, we are going to find the cofactor of K2, where after that, we are going to find the determinant. However, the determinant of this matrix is 0. Thus, we can find the inverse. So we are unable to decrypt the code because 1 over 0 is undefined. Last one is K3. We use a join method to solve this matrix. We are firstly, we need to find the cofactor of the matrix. After getting the cofactor, we use it to find the determinant. Then our determinant is 20. Then we find the inverse of the matrix using our determinant and cofactor. After that, after getting the inverse matrix, we are going to multiply it with the matrix. Then we will get the message, which is as per head start.